Alright, it is time for bedroom fire alarm test 13, I think. Sounds right. As you can see, the pull station today is a Johnson Controls JBGX 101L. However, it has been converted to conventional. We will be using the voice panel today. So for the speaker strobe today, we have this right here. This is a system sensor V4R2475ADA. It's basically a system sensor mass speaker strobe, 75 candela, and the voice panel set on the high-low tone, so that'll be pretty interesting. Smoke detectors are the same as always. I will be changing the i3 in the next test. So, let's get started. Alright, let's pull this.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities.
I'm just going to go ahead and use the little test button on this.
Report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by the proper authorities.
Now, since I already reset the pull station, we'll go ahead and reset. So that is the end of the video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.